Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish a Roblox game. All right, let's begin. First, open Roblox Studio and create your game. Once ready, go to File and select Save to Roblox As. Then choose Create New Experience. Enter a name and description, then save your project. After saving, continue editing and remember to save your progress regularly. Next, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Click Create and navigate to My Experiences. Find your game, click it, then go to Settings. To make your game public, switch to the Privacy tab and select Public. Before enabling public access, you must complete age verification. Since it's already done here, I won't show the steps, but you'll need to verify your identity using an ID. After verification, submit a maturity rating for your game by answering Roblox's content questions. Once completed, return to Settings, set the game to public, and save changes. Finally, publish your game from Studio and refresh the page to confirm it's live. So that's basically how you can publish a Roblox game. That's it for this video. Thanks.